Hello students, good morning. This is Ghost time here. Uh, Today we are going to see our second video of our operating system. So these are our playlist. Okay, React.js, Python programming and many more different playlists are available on this channel at free of cost. So different. This is our operating system. In previous class, we discussed about the basic representation of an operating system, an introduction to operating system, and different types of operating system. So here is our first video. If anyone didn't watch this video, please go and watch this video. So it discuss about these today's class modules like basics, processes and schedules, specific threads, module 3.1 and many more modules which includes the whole syllabus of an operating system. Okay, so let's start our second video of our operating system. So if you want notes regarding the operating system, so please go through in the description box and click on the G Drive link. In today's class, there is a folder named today's class. On that day, if the class is recorded, on that day notes will be uploaded directly. So this is our last class, means the latest class videos I will upload as today's date is 20 June, Tuesday. So simply just we click this cancel the video, and at the end of the class we discuss about to start booting and this scheduling and many more things. So here is our playlist. So let's go. The OS basics about introduction, types of operating systems, function and need of OS, and many more. So starting our first slides, let's open with the paint option. So here we can edit. So this is the CPU main input output structure of an operating system. It includes of input unit and then CPU, then memory unit, control unit, and arithmetic and logic unit and output unit. So it has basically three types, means three contents like user end. This is the first content. This is the second content. So first one, second, and this is the third. Okay, so here's the diagram. This first user end, it explains about the containing people who are using computer and application programs like compilers, databases, games, and etc. Then second, system contains utilities and operating system programs include shells, editors, and many more. So starting from different, we simply take an example like this is the box. It includes different memory units like this is storage units. This is the CPU. This is the memory unit, and this is hardware units. So this is the simple diagram. So we save this video. Okay, let's wait a minute. I'm re-recording this video because in this video is disabled the audio, so I am only adding the audio to the previous video. Okay, so this is the latest second video for operating system. So system contains utilities and operating system programs include shells, editors, compilers. We know about that C programming and Python programming. Any program language have a different types of compilers on depending on that environment. So etc. OS is an interface between user and hardware. So it is a basic means it is a user, like it is an interface which access to user to hardware. Simply rewrite this like different shell scripter or terminal or command prompt or different types of compilers and hardware which creates an interface like this, which will give the access to the and the hardware method contains hardware device like CPU, memory, IO device, microprogramming and machine learning comes under this part. So it includes like monitor, mouse, keyboard, pen drives or driver like SSD, solid state drive or hard disk drive, SSD or HDD, and different drivers or means audio drivers, adapters, disk adapters, and many more. So this is our second slide. So it consists of three major parts like hardware, operating system, and application layer. So in this video we discuss about this. This is the input. So simply we will use this as a heading. Like first, basic architecture or basic structure of an operating system. This is we will do, and then next in this slide we will discuss about what is OS. OS means simply stands for operating system, a program that acts as an intermediary between a user of a computer and the computer hardware. So it has different goals like execute user programs and make solving user problems easier, make the computer system convenient to use the computer hardware in efficient manner. So simply in the new slide we will discuss about. So this is the for example this is user 1 and this is the hardware. So in this hardware we will discuss about it provides an intermediate between user and a hardware. Okay, it provides this as a hardware. This is the interface. For example, this is the interface, and these are many more different programs, modules, and etc. Okay, this is the operating system. This is the structure of OS with three layers: layer 1, layer 2, user interface layer, and layer 2, and the main layer is hardware. Okay, simply we will go to the third slide. So this is the OS and model application. Application it has 7 layers like application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, and data link layer, and physical layer. The application layer 7 ensures effective communication with another application program or a network. So what is application layer? Simply we will do this taking an open system interconnection model like open OS. The application layer sits in the layer 7, the top of the open system interconnection communications model. It ensures an application can effectively communicate with other applications in different computer systems and networks. The application layer is not an application, instead it is a component within an application that controls the communication method to other devices. It is an abstraction layer service that masks the rest of the application from the transmission process. So this is the application layer. Layer 7 ensures effective communication with another application. These are different layers like first layer, second layer, seventh layer, 1 to 7. The application layer relies on all layers below. It is a complete process. At this stage, the data of the application is presented in a visual form that the user can understand. Okay, the functions of application are ensure that receiving device is identified, reachable, or easy to accept data. For example, it is in the receiving stage or such device is identified, reachable, and easy to accept data. When appropriate, enables authentication between devices for an extra layer of a network security. Make sure necessary communication interfaces exist, such as whether there is an Ethernet. For example, this is the application layer Ethernet or Wi-Fi interface in the sender's computer. Ensures agreement at both ends on error recovery procedures, data integrity, and privacy. Determines protocol and data syntax rules at the application. For example, this is the data or the application is printed in visual form that we accept. So here we discussed about the applications about. So we will go to the 4 slides, that is the functions of an operating system. So first function is like process management. Process management is very important. Like in the first lecture of operating system, we discuss about the different processes and threads that and CPU and operating system includes. So second is process synchronization. It's simply a synchronize or process data to different types of threads and different processes. The third is CPU, central processing unit, like scheduling. CPU scheduling, like it simply schedule jobs for different CPU programs and tasks. Then the fourth one is file management. File management is simply discuss about the management of the different files to access the data or identify the data. For example, and the fifth is security to the operating system is also very important to our operating system. So the final one is resource management. There are many more resources which can be applicable to different CPU. Like these are the functions of an operating system. CPU, color. Okay. Then then we will go to our fifth slide. Simply will open with these are different types of operating systems which are available in the current market trend. So these are fifth operating systems like Microsoft OS, Linux, Android, iOS, Mac OS, Unix, MS-DOS, Windows 10, Ubuntu, mobile operating system, Windows 7, Chrome OS, embedded operating system, Windows 8, Fedora, BlackBerry OS, Solaris, Windows Vista, Windows Server, Debian, GUI, Windows XP, Windows 95, and Linux Mint. So in the sixth, we will discuss about the types of operating systems we are going to discuss. So simply, this is our sixth slide. So operating system types of operating system in this like batch operating system, multi-program operating system, networking operating system, distributed operating system, real-time operating system, time-sharing operating system, and multitasking operating system. In the next video lecture, we will discuss in details about these types of operating system. So simply, in the next lecture, we will discuss about different types of operating system. Our next subscriber goal is 800. So I will upload this as a new folder to our drive. Like to file upload, I will upload as desktop. Then each folder, study, then operating system, then today's class. So I will upload this folder to the Gmail link and give this link in the description box. So there are many also playlists available to this channel like Daily Run Python, and majorly I have uploaded the 4 different playlists. If anyone want the full access to the course playlist, so simply drop to the course t029@gmail.com, which is also given in the description box. Simply in the Daily Run Python, we will simultaneously discuss about the topics and a live representation of the programs. This is also we also have the React.js playlist. So okay, thank you. Please subscribe to this channel.